Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we're providing the A to Z full guide on getting a US student visa. If you dream of studying in the United States, this video will show you all the steps, requirements, and tips to make your student visa process smooth and successful. The US student visa is a special visa that allows international students to study in the United States. There are two main types, F1 visa for academic studies and M1 visa for vocational or technical training programs. Choosing the correct visa type is crucial depending on your program. Before you can apply for a student visa, you must be accepted by a US school approved by SCVP. After acceptance, the school will provide you with a Form I-20, which is essential for your visa application. Next, you must pay the SEVIS I-901 fee, which supports the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. Keep the payment receipt as you'll need it for your visa interview. Fill out the DS-160 form, the online non-immigrant visa application. You'll need personal information, passport details, school and program information, and to upload a recent photo. After submission, print the DS-160 confirmation page. Schedule a visa interview at your nearest US embassy or consulate. Wait times can vary, so book as early as possible. You'll also pay the visa application fee before your interview. Gather all necessary documents: passport, Form I-20, DS-160 confirmation, SEVIS fee receipt, and visa application fee receipt. Also include financial proof showing you can cover tuition and living expenses, academic transcripts, test scores, and any supporting letters. Having organized and complete documents increases your chances of approval. During your interview, be honest and confident. Explain why you want to study in the US. Demonstrate ties to your home country to show intent to return after studies, and answer questions clearly and politely. Remember, the interview is a key part of the visa process. If your visa is approved, you'll get your passport with a US student visa stamp. Plan your travel according to your program start date. You can enter the US up to 30 days before your program begins. Some helpful tips: start your application early, prepare for the interview with confidence, and keep copies of all documents. Know your financial situation clearly and be honest and consistent in your answers. Following these steps carefully can help you avoid delays or denials. Thank you for watching. If you found this A to Z guide for getting a US student visa helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos. Good luck, and we hope to see you studying in the United States soon.